Hey guys, to factory reset your iPad Pro, whether you guys have the bigger one or the smaller one. This one's the smaller one, by the way. It's going to be the exact same instructions. This is the latest model, but even older models, same deal. You're going to go into settings, and in settings, go into general, scroll all the way down, transfer, shut down. You guys will see transfer and reset iPad. That's your second last option. Choose that. From here, erase all content in settings. From here, what will this do? It's going to erase everything from within the iPad, which does include your Apple ID, from within the iPad. So we're going to go on into continue, erase iPad, put in your passcode if you have one, and there we go. So right now what it's doing, it's wiping everything out. So pictures, messages, any personal information is gone. It's going to be back to factory settings. That means when you first bought it, when you first set it up, that's what it's going to be. So you guys are returning this, that's what you have to do. If you guys are selling this, you should do this as well. Again, Apple ID from this will be gone. You can use another Apple ID, the same one, doesn't really matter, to activate it once again. So just let it be, and later on we're going to see the welcome screen again, and we're going to be done with this whole factory settings. So once it's done, you guys can go on and set it up again, or just power it off. If you're selling it, you could set it up without importing any personal information, any Apple IDs or anything like that. I do have a video for that. However, if you're returning it or anything like that, I would go on and just turn it off. So to shut down or force shut down an iPad, whichever it is, by the way, although this is an iPad Pro, it's going to be the same thing as any other iPad. You guys are going to see the power button here, volume keys. Touch the volume key, the top one, and your power button at the same time. You guys are going to see this to shut it down. So right now, if we slide, it's going to power off and it's fully shut down. So that's how you guys can fully shut down an iPad. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.